This is GhoUL and welcome to your first C++ programming tutorial. My aim here that by the end of next couple of videos you become a pro in C++. So without wasting it any time, in this video we are going to talk about two things. Okay, first thing will be how to set up your IDE, the integrated development environment, which we are going to use, and I'm also going to tell you a small story which you will have to forget because that won't be very important, and you will learn you will learn a very important concept as times comes due to that story. So let's get started. First thing I want you to do is go to google.com and search this code blocks. Code blocks is an open source IDE which you can use to build codes in C++. This is the one I use, code blocks. So search this and click go to downloads, download directly from here, or you can choose whatever you wish. And in the download section, don't mess this up, okay? This is important, guys. So click on download the binary release, and though you will have to choose this file, code blocks 16.01 mingw. No, this file, okay? Or you can choose this code block 16.01 mingw-setup.exe, whatever you find fit. Make sure that it has this thing mingw, okay? So download this exe file. That will be the best thing. Download code block 16.01 mingw-setup.exe, or whatever version it is in your time. Doesn't matter. Download it from whatever server you wish from, and I can it actually contains a compiler, okay? The compiler file, which the normal setup file does not contain. So you need to download a mingw setup file, okay? And once you install it, we are good to go. So here is how code blocks IDE looks like, okay? And I'm about to tell you how to create a new project. So create a new project, click on file, new, and click on project, okay? Click on console application and choose C++ from here. Give a project a title. Since I'm going to teach you, let's give it a title, teach students. Although I'm a student myself, and make sure, okay, make sure that this file, this console application form here is in identical in your case too. The compiler must be GNU GCC compiler, and cross check other things too, but uh, in most of the cases it's going to be same, and unless you have messed something up. So then click on finish, and there you go. Here is your first workplace ready, and this is my file, this is my project, teach students, okay? And to see the codes, okay, where do you see the codes? First of all, I would like to delete this file here because I don't need this. uh, in your case it's fine. So okay, click on remove files, main directory, okay. You don't need to worry about it what I just did. So click on just sources. So to open this file, click on sources, click on main.cpp, okay? And here is where you will find your code, okay? This is my project. This was some other project which I was working on. This is my new project, teach students, okay? And then project, you have to go to sources and click on main.cpp to watch your to see your codes, okay? And I know you're not going to understand any of this right now, but don't worry, from next video onwards you're going to get all of it and you're going to become a pro. So it's time for the story. Just listen to the story and forget it, okay? I'm going to talk about C++, okay? um, what is C++? What kind of language is it actually? C++ is, oh, okay, what is that means object oriented programming, okay? Now I will tell you a story which you'll need to try to link to this, okay? Object oriented programming thing. Just even if you fail to link it or try to, I know most of you, if you will fail to link it, and that's fine, because by the end of the tutorial you would have already mastered it, and you would have already remembered, you would have already linked, visualized and felt it, whatever I just said in the story. So you need to know two things, what we are going to work in the oops or C++, okay? The two things are classes and object. So what are classes and what are objects? Think of classes like something like a blueprint, okay, that defines your object. An object is nothing. What is an object? Object is a real life entity. That's all. So to understand this better, I will tell you. Let's create a class. Okay. Car is a class. Okay, car is a class. Okay, and the what are its objects? The objects of the class car are Lamborghini Reventon, which is out on the street right now, or any other car which you can think of, any other model which you can think of. That's all a class. Okay, it all comes under the class car. Okay, so how do we define a class? The class has many features. Okay, a class has if the class is a car, okay, if the class is defined for car, okay, class name is car, then car, what are the features the car will have, okay, which you think that it will define its identity separately. It will have a company name, that's the most important thing, and then it will have its color, its body design, its type, like it's whatever it is, it's racing car or SUV or whatever it is, or and then its top mileage, everything can be its feature. Define all of that in a Go, and define give fill your data in each and every one of those features, and you'll get a unique object or a unique car out there. And each of these cars which are out there is an object of that class car. So you might think that class is superset of the uh, I mean, it's actually containing all of those cars inside of it, all of those objects. But yeah, you can think of it like that for now. That's all. That's all about the story. And um, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video where we'll start the coding and finish it in no time. So thank you once again.